Hi guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. I just came back from Trader Joe's and I ended up picking up a few freezer items that I wanted to share with you guys. By the way, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing, and if you haven't subscribed and you like Trader Joe's hauls, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can get notified when I upload a new video. But let's go over all the cool, fun little items that we got for this quarantine. All right, so this is actually what I went to Trader Joe's for. So this is the hard kombucha berry ginger flavor. They also have a lemon ginger flavor, but I have not tried that one. However, I have tried this one before. It is so good, so refreshing, especially right now that it is really hot in California. And it's actually not bad for you at all. I don't know if you're gonna be able to read the text, but it is 140 calories, 3 grams of sugar, and 5 grams of carbs. So it is not terrible and it tastes so good. This is something new that I have not purchased before. So this is the buffalo style chicken dip. It says white chicken meat with cream cheese, sour cream, cayenne pepper, shredded Monterey Jack, and this is 60 calories, 4.5 grams of fat, 2 grams of carbs, and 1 gram of sugar. I've never tried this. This is the first time I'm going to be trying it, so I hope it's good. It sounds good. I personally love buffalo sauce and chicken, so I thought that would be really good. I'll let you know if I like that. And I'm going to end up eating that with these brioche toasts. So I've never had this before, but for whatever reason when I was there, this just seemed like the perfect combination. I could not forget about Bella, so I also picked up these organic chicken and brown rice recipe sticks. Never bought these for her either before, so these are going to be new, but I'm sure she's going to enjoy them, and they were pretty affordable. They were about $2.49, I think. Next up, we have a frozen pizza for one of those nights where we don't want to make lunch or dinner. So this is actually a new one that I've never tried before. And so far, all the frozen pizzas that I've tried from Trader Joe's are super tasty. So this is the arugula pizza with cherry tomatoes, mozzarella, provolone cheese, and manchego and pecorino cheese. Sorry if I'm saying that wrong, I'm not Italian. And I've also never tried this before, so don't come at me. But look at this, like this looks appealing to the eye. I really hope it tastes just as good. This is also something new and something that Kevin requested. So this is the pepperoni pizza mac and cheese bowl. I'm sure this is probably not a healthy option, but look at how tasty that looks. I already know it's probably gonna be good, but if it's not, I'll let you guys know. So I will have Kevin try this pretty soon. This we tried in one of our last hauls. So this is the Trader Joe's Hatch Chili Mac and Cheese with roasted chilies from Hatch, New Mexico. So this we tried for the first time on my last haul, and it was really, really good. It wasn't too spicy to the point where you couldn't enjoy it. It was just the right amount of kick, but it still tasted really cheesy. So if you like that spicy cheese type of mac and cheese, definitely go for this one. I highly recommend it. Also picked up the Hold the Cone vanilla ice cream cones. So these are the mini, there's 8 in here, and I really like to have this as a dessert because it is so small and it's just the right amount of sweet if you don't want to overdo it, especially right now when we kind of want to watch what we eat. This is perfect. These caught my eye, and every time I go, I just walk right by them because I already know I'm gonna love them and I'm gonna be addicted, and they're obviously not healthy, but it's okay. We can treat ourselves, and I'm sure these are gonna be delicious. From what I've heard and what I've seen in other Trader Joe's hauls, everybody raves about these, so we're gonna see what the hype is about. Family style meat lasagna. So we also picked this up in one of our other hauls, and when I tell you guys that this tastes like a home cooked lasagna, it really, really does. I've had the like Stouffer's lasagna or the, what is it, the Marie Callender's or whatever, and they're not as good. They're okay, but they're not as good. And this actually tastes homemade. So if you like lasagna and you want to just have something in the freezer for one of those nights where you don't want to cook, it does take a while though. It takes like an hour or so in the oven, but it is delicious. And one last thing in this bag. So this I also saw reviews online. So this is the Trader Joe's aioli garlic mustard sauce. And I had heard that this is just gonna take your sandwiches to the next level, and I'm sure you can use it as anything else. So Trader Joe's aioli garlic mustard sauce can be used with cold meats and seafood, used as a vegetable dip or spread. I personally probably want to use it on maybe with some vegetables or on a sandwich. That just sounds so good. I will let you guys know how this is. It's also pretty clean. It's 15 calories, 1 gram of fat, 0 grams of carbs, and 0 grams of sugar. So why not try it out? Ended up getting another of the sourdough Trader Joe's sandwich bread for sandwiches, grilled cheeses, because I did get their tomato roasted pepper soup and I loved it with the grilled cheese. I still have it in my pantry, which is why I didn't pick up another one, but their sourdough bread is delicious. A bag of the macaroni pasta just to have in the pantry. This is also new to me, at least, not new to the store, but new to me. A lot of these stuff that I said were new to me, or they're new to me, probably not to the store, and I would tell you guys if it was new to Trader Joe's. But this is the ricotta and spinach tortellini with red pesto. So this is also a good staple to have in the freezer. Have not tried it, but I'm sure it's gonna be good. Next up, we have the honey walnut shrimp. So I had seen this multiple times that I've been to Trader Joe's, but for whatever reason, as much as I love honey walnut shrimp, I just didn't pick it up. And today I was feeling really spontaneous, I guess, because I just got a bunch of stuff that I've never tried before. But I'm planning on making this pretty soon, probably with rice. So I will update you guys on that as well. And if you've tried this, let me know your thoughts on it. Or if you've tried any of these other items, let me know your thoughts on them, if you liked them or didn't like them. They were out of white rice in just a regular white rice that you actually make, but they did have a couple of these organic jasmine rice. So I did end up picking up 2 of them because honestly I'm out of rice. And I've bought this before. It is really good. You just throw it in the microwave for 3 minutes. And something about the taste and consistency, it's just as if you were to make rice, you know, on the stove or in a rice cooker. It tastes just as good, if not better. And yeah, I know they have a brown rice and a multigrain, I believe. I've only tried the jasmine rice and that's been really good. So really good to keep in your freezer, especially if you're meal prepping or you're just trying to stick to a diet and you don't want to make rice. Pop this in the microwave with your chicken and your veggies and you're good to go. Last but not least, we ended up getting an orange juice. So I did get the unpasteurized one. This I had purchased in the past also, and it was really, really good. We're trying to keep our immunity up by eating our vegetables and our fruits, and who does not love a good glass of orange juice in the morning? Something about this Trader Joe's orange juice is just the best, and I can tell you I've purchased so many different orange juices from so many different brands, and they're just not the same. So this one, when it says fresh squeezed, it really does taste like a fresh squeezed orange juice. I know Bella is gonna be so excited to try these. Are you excited? You want to try it? Okay, give me 1 second. Wow, okay. You ready? Sit, lay down, lay down. You're playing me. Oh, now you lay down. Good girl. I was feeling extra bold today for whatever reason, and I ended up purchasing a lot of stuff that I had not had before. And luckily I went just at the right time when there wasn't a line for Trader Joe's, because when I've been driving by there, the line has been wrapped around the building. So I'm glad that we didn't have to wait in line. It was not that busy and I was able to get pretty much everything that I needed for right now, at least. Mainly I needed that orange juice and that kombucha. That kombucha I needed for my sanity, but everything else, I will let you guys know if I like it. And if you've tried any of these items, let me know what you've tried down below in the comments. That's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.